The old saying that my word is my bond has a certain nostalgic appeal. However, if your words are unclear, they may cause problems in the future no matter how many handshakes you exchange. In Varney v. Ditmars, the Court of Appeals of New York considered a case where one man's words failed to create a bond. In October 1910, Isaac Ditmars hired George Varney to work in his architectural firm. Varney's starting weekly salary was $35. Shortly after he started working for Ditmars, Varney told Ditmars that he had been offered another job. Ditmars convinced Varney that it was in Varney's best interest to stay put. In early 1911, Ditmars raised Varney's pay to $40 per week and told Varney that if he would help complete some long-overdue work, Ditmars would give Varney a fair share of the profits at year's end. Over the next several months, Varney worked diligently to help Ditmars complete the work. November 6th was Election Day, and Varney, over Ditmars's objection, stayed home to attend the election in his village. That afternoon, Varney became sick and was housebound for several days. On November 11th, Ditmars fired Varney for his refusal to work on Election Day. Despite having been fired, Varney, after he was well and before the end of the year, told Ditmars he was ready to return to work per their agreement. Ditmars denied they had an agreement and refused to let Varney return. Sometime prior to the end of 1911, Ditmars paid Varney $50 for some special work. Varney sued Ditmars, claiming that Ditmars owed him $1,680. That amount included Varney's weekly pay from November 7th through December 31st and a reasonable portion of Ditmars's profits for the year. At trial, Varney was the only witness to testify about the profit-sharing agreement with Ditmars. At the close of Varney's evidence, the trial court dismissed the complaint. Varney appealed, and the Intermediate Appellate Court affirmed. Varney then appealed to the Court of Appeals of New York.